Allow me to share with you a powerful Proverbs from the ancient Persian wisdom. It says, "These too shall pass." Matatapos din ang lahat. Iyon ang ibig sabihin. Again, this process will not be easy. It will break your spirit. It will break your focus and your determination, and it will push you to your limits. But as I have said, these too will pass. Dadaan at matatapos din ito.
It is my distinct honor to welcome you all to the outtaking and reception rites of the PNP class of 2029. The journey of these 310 cadet candidates began with their dreams and aspirations, and that they have chosen the path of honor, service, and justice. These young individuals will face the same challenges encountered by their upperclassmen, and the days ahead will be filled with challenges that will shape them into the future leaders and protectors of our nation.
Kailangan lang po namin sa inyo, aming mga magulang, ang inyong suporta, ang inyong pagtatangkilik at pag-unawa sa lahat ng dadaanan ng inyong mga anak.
This reception, which you will undergo, is one of the 4 stages of your life in this academy. It is a grueling reception for you to be welcome this cadet corps.
Sa inyong gabay at sa inyong tulong na rin, masisiguro po namin matatapos nila ang 4 na taon na pagpupunyagi para maging isang matino, maayos, responsable at mapagkakatiwalaang miyembro ng ating kapulisan.
The second stage, of course, will be your incorporation, which wherein you will be joining the ranks of the upper classes. And every step and movement you make along the way will be under the scrutinizing eyes. Paglakad, pagtingin, paglingon, that will all undergo under the scrutinizing eyes of your upper classes. Just like as the sun rises in the morning, believe that it will also set in the afternoon. Always remember, every pain, every failure, every sacrifice, and every hardship is temporary. These too will pass. I understand how difficult the road ahead may seem, but the view at the finish line is worth every hardship along the way. Be steady with your source of prayers and support. Trust the process and hope for the best result as the Academy will mold your sons and daughter to be immaculate cadets in the years to come. The class of 2029, do not pity yourselves. Yan ang unang magiging kalaban nyo. As long as your mind is willing, your body is willing. Strive to survive and finish all the stages of cadetship here in the Academy. Pleasant good afternoon and welcome to the Cadet Corps Philippine National Police Academy. Only the fittest will survive. Again, as long as your mind can bear it, your body will survive it.